Our next guest is with udoq, and they're unifying docking. They're doing a really cool thing. He is the CEO of udoq, Marcus Kuchler. Marcus, welcome into tomorrow. How are you, sir?
Very good, very good.
And you should be. You got a great smile because people are very interested in what you're showing. Tell me about udoq.
Yeah, udoq is an idea I had 2 years ago because I was searching my cables and my chargers for several years. My two boys, very active kids, they always took it away for their iPods or for their iPads.
No, kids would never do that.
Exactly. So I said I have to screw this cable down somehow. And then I came up with the idea to slide them into a rail. So that brings the advantage that the cables can move, but you can still slide them left and right, and you can adapt it to the width of your mobile devices. So you line up your mobile devices, they're all facing towards you, and you can operate and view every mobile device on this aluminum rail udoq.
So that's how you're actually unifying docking, because any device when people say we can do something with any device, most of us are skeptical. It's like, yeah, but Android, iPhone, even things that might not be one of those, you can handle it with your unique system.
Exactly. We can handle it because we include in every udoq 4 cables, and those 4 cables are an Apple Lightning cable, an Apple 30-pin cable, a micro USB cable, and a USB-C cable. So that covers more or less 95% of all mobile devices worldwide.
That's true, and most of the future ones, so you're future-proof.
Yeah, I'm absolutely future-proof because we separated the mechanics from the electronics. Electronics grow much faster, so whenever you get a new phone or new technology is coming out, you just change the cable, and this solid, timeless dock stays.
And we talked to you before we were on the air about this whole sustainability thing. It's like a catchphrase, but how are these products sustainable?
Since you always adapt with your cable to the newest technology, you don't need to throw away a udoq. It lasts forever because you just change the cable. And whatever comes up with Apple or Microsoft or one of those giants, we can adapt it, and we just change the cable, slide it into udoq, and adapt it to the new products.
So you would just continually make sure that if it's not one of the cables it came with, that you get the cable and make it part of your system, and we're good to go.
Exactly. And my ultimate vision is that the giants like Samsung and Apple, they add an adapter for udoq to their products, so they would be udoq compatible.
And I'm sure they would if you pay. But in the meantime, it's a great thought. But now let's describe for the radio audience who is not yet seeing the video, that it comes in different lengths. Yeah, I'm seeing udoq 250 and 400 and 550. You're probably going to talk in terms of meters, but us Americans think in terms of inches or feet. But give us an idea as to why the different sizes.
I can't convert now the metrics
no worries.
in inches, but we were testing the different variations of gadgets, of mobile devices, and it just proved to be the right size, 250 millimeters, 400 millimeters, 550 and 700 millimeters, to adapt the most setups. For example, 2 iPads and 3 phones, something like most of the families have at home.
And what's great about that is, as Chris is showing on the video, the unified docking station, and it's the end of the day here at the Showstoppers event, so we've got weird shadows as the sun sets. But the point is, you can see how you've got a really long one at 700 millimeters. Thank you, that's good. Which is, about that big. I can't do the conversion live either, but you get the idea. So, as you said, maybe the family's got 3 or 4 phones and an iPad or an Android tablet. They can all be side by side, living harmoniously, and all charging at the same time.
Exactly, they're all charging at the same time, and udoq is designed in a way so it doesn't show off. The products are in the front, and it's a pretty sleek and clean design. It will be also available in different anodized colors. So either as a black or gold or pink is everything.
Got to get that pink one, yeah.
Exactly.
Well, what's cool? It's sort of now an aluminum color. What color do you call this?
We call this Apple Silver.
Apple, okay, oh sure, for us Android people, Apple Silver, I had to smack you with the mic. No, just kidding. But that's cool that you've got plans to do more stylish things as well. Then you better come out with an Android Black or something just to keep us happy.
Of course,
Yeah,
of course.
And when are these available?
We start on 12th of September with a Kickstarter campaign. There the products will be available for about 50% in a limited number. So the early birds can get a really good deal there. And after that, about mid of October, we are online available.
And do you have an idea in US dollars what they might cost from the 250 to the 700 to give an idea?
The 250 starts with $99. But if you imagine you get 4 or 5 products on the dock, then it's a reasonable price. So we are in a very good price range compared to other docking or organizing solutions. And the longest one with 700 millimeters is $179 US.
Wow, well, very good. You can take advantage of the first worldwide patented docking station for mobile devices of any brand or any generation. Marcus, you're a delight to talk to. We invite our audience to visit udoq, udoq.com, because they'll unify your docking. Thanks for joining us on Into Tomorrow.
Thank you very much.
A nice sunset shot of your face. As long as I don't put mine in front of it, we got you on Into Tomorrow.
Thank you very much.
It's our pleasure. We're back with more from the Showstoppers press event and a whole lot of other goodies from IFA in Berlin, Germany. I'm Dave Graveline, bringing you further Into Tomorrow here on the Advanced Media Network.